for you guys. I'm digging a footing for a new porch, small little porch I want to build up over these existing stairs. I don't want to move these stairs, so I'm digging a hole. This machine is perfect for a job like this. Just going to be 2 footings, one on either side of the existing concrete stairs here. I'm on day 2 because yesterday I was running a little bit late, even though I took yesterday off because it was my birthday. And I know what you guys are thinking. Ain't you a little too old to take the day off because it's your birthday? Well, I'm sure not gonna take the day off on my wife's birthday. That would just be dumb. Alright, just a short one for you guys. A little bit of therapeutic digging today before it starts downpouring on me. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.